It was until I think it was the 23rd or the 24th of December that we went to court, and the registrar finally gave her assessment. Barrow and Williams had asked that their legal fees that Mr. Teck should pay would be $78,000 and a little couple more, like a couple hundreds more, and we went to court, of course, before the registrar, and we disputed that because we were showing that what is that for? For example, $20,000 was for mere retainer, but for what? Just because you hired me and that's my name, you want $20,000? And they just added up this huge amount. But after hearing our arguments, the registrar ruled that Mr. Teck is only to pay $29,204. Of course, I wrote the company and I asked them, well, can you send us the copy of the order? Because the way it works, that the person who gets the ruling or who would then write up the order and give it to us. We never got an order, but yesterday we got a letter dated the 6th of January that was saying we are demanding that within 15 days of receiving this letter that you pay us, and if you don't, then we'll have an enforcement proceedings. I don't think we'll need to do that. I think it is good that people came forward and are donating, and unless they're really being malicious and vicious, I'm sure they can work with us to have a payment plan.
It is my only opportunity. I am sincere. I cannot make it. I cannot pay it personally. So I believe that the media is the only way how I can bring my cause to the general public now. And I appreciate that there are Belizeans in our country, loving Belizeans in our country that will stand against injustice, and that is the principle which I took when I became involved in this.
So you don't regret the stand that you took?
I cannot regret it, because honestly, someone had to make a stand, because you know that the sugar industry is the lifeblood of Belizeans in the northern communities, and for the nation it brings huge incomes in foreign currency. But our future was bleak. And that's the reason why I entered, because SR and BSI wanted to enforce their condition upon us. It's like a big power taking chance against a small country, against weak people, poor people. They succeeded. They succeeded because they are the powers. But then we had to make a stand. If we didn't make a stand, then I would say personally, I couldn't live with it. I couldn't live with it that if no one make a stand against this big giant. No?